Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Bring you another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Social media never shows you the whole picture. Perfection is just an illusion. I know from my own experience that getting the perfect shot can often take countless photos and you never see the ones that didn't quite make it out right. The thing you need to remember about social media is that, well, a lot of the time, people are just better at taking pictures than you. It's also these people that do things and buy things to impress the people that they don't even like. Stay true to yourself and you will catch the perfect photo for you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.